With Xinrui's development, strict quality concept remains the same all the time. He leads dozens of talented designers with the acute insight for the trends of time. Focusing on design, development, manufacture and sales of silicone bra inserts, breast form, butt pads, and nipple covers, we keep moving forward for our dream with ingenuity. With the development of scientific and technological innovation, the craftsmen at Xinrui integrated advanced technology and in the meantime introduced underwear production lines with advanced technical equipment, advanced processing technology from the developed countries like Germany and Japan. Our products are being produced in accordance with ISO 9001 quality management system very strictly. The only mission for our craftsmen at Xinrui is to produce quality products for our customers. We have obtained the related certificates of BSCI, SMETA, and have some tests processed by SGS. With the mission of making a more beautiful you to constantly improve the happiness index for global women.